Welcome to this extraordinary 140-acre certified organic farm near Denison, Iowa. A perfect combination of productive farmland, peaceful country living, and modern comfort. As you approach the property, a private 3/4-mile driveway welcomes you, lined with mature trees and views of rolling pastures. The 4-bedroom, 2-bath farmhouse, originally built in 1908 and fully renovated in 2019, offers roughly 2,600 square feet of living space. Step inside to an open floor plan that blends historic charm with modern amenities. Quartz countertops in the kitchen, a gas range, 4 sets of French doors, 9-foot ceilings, and abundant natural light throughout. The home is equipped with central air, propane HVAC, an 85-gallon water heater, and a security system, making it comfortable for year-round living. Outside, the property features 122 acres of productive tillable land, with 35 acres currently in production and 80 acres enrolled in the USDA CRP program through 2027, generating reliable income. Timber and waterways enhance the remaining acreage, creating a serene rural backdrop. A 1-acre pond offers scenic beauty and recreational opportunities, while multiple outbuildings provide functionality for farming or hobbies. A 54 by 50 barn, updated in 2020, includes a 50 by 100 fenced area for livestock and 2 machine sheds, fully updated with cement floors, steel siding, and electrical upgrades, offer ample space for equipment storage. This property also provides flexibility with the option to separate the home, outbuildings, and approximately 5 acres from the larger farm, and seller financing is available for pre-approved buyers. Whether you're seeking a working farm, a country estate, or a combination of both, this Iowa organic farm delivers unmatched opportunity, privacy, and lifestyle. Experience the beauty, productivity, and peace of this one-of-a-kind Arion property, where every detail has been designed for comfort, efficiency, and enjoyment in the heart of Iowa's countryside.